How to make money in trading even if most of your trades hit stop loss. Let's cover today win rate and risk reward ratio, and you will understand how you can be profitable if you are right in 30-40% cases. Here, my friend, you can make money even if you're right in 30-40% cases. Let me show to you how it's possible. Have a look. It is my P&L for last 30 days. As you can see, I have periods of win and losses, and I achieve this P&L only with 40% win rate. What is a win rate? Let's dive deeply. Win rate, it is percent of profitable trades. Let's make an example, really simple. You took 10 trades, and for example, 6 of them hit your take profit, and 4 of them hit stop loss. That means your win rate 60%. If you have only 4 take profits, your win rate would be 40%. Like in this case, you can see that my win rate for last 30 days only 41%. And normal people would say, how can you make money with this? There is no magic. We can make money in that case. It's really simple. When we have a proper tool, it is risk to reward ratio. When you have combination win rate and risk to reward ratio, that's how you actually make money. What's risk to reward ratio? Let's dive deeply, and after that come to this table. Risk to reward, imagine a situation really simple. If price go into your favor and hit your take profit, you make 300 USD. If price go against you and hit your stop loss, you lose 100. That means your risk to reward ratio in this simple case 1 to 3, because it is how proportion works. It is 1 to 3. Why is this stuff super important? Because we make money in trading, not because we are right in every case. We make money in trading because we make more when we right than lose when price hit our stop loss. That's simple. Within a few seconds, we'll cover my real trades that we took. But before, let's come back to this table and understand how this stuff works. Let's assume this example, 3 to 1. If price go into your favor, you make 300. If you go against you, lose 100. In that case, to be in break-even, you need approximately 25-27% of profitable trades. That means if 3 of 10 of your trades with that risk reward profitable, you make small money, not big. If you have 40%, you make good money, but really you make a lot of money if you have 60% or more win rate. That means your major target in trading to make proper combination between those two numbers. That's it. Honestly, I didn't see people with 100% win rate, and I saw a lot of traders that make like 30, 40, 50% win rate, but they focus on taking a lot of profits when price go into their favor. Let's cover this example. It is my trading day. It is my statistic, a screenshot from my statistic service. Here I made 3 trades, and 1 take profit, 1 break even, and 1 stop loss. And in that day, I made approximately 1,000 USD. How that was possible? Have a look on this example. We open statistics service. First trade on Ethereum, as you can see, I took long and price hit my stop loss. Major reason why I took long here, because Ethereum broke this important range. And when price retested this important area, someone bought a really massive amount of coins on spot, 15,000. It is really a lot. Statistically, price after that makes significant movement. And you can see by this screenshot that they did really a lot. And after that, I reopened a trade. It was my second trade where I took long again here, nearly that significant size, and price ranged for a few hours. And after that, as you can see, they did this significant pump. And on first trade, I lost 156 USD with my volume was 35,000, because this volume shows to you open and close. But on the second trade, I made 1,153 USD, in many times more. You can calculate it is in 6 or 7 times more. Profit was in 7 times bigger than my loss that I risked in the first position. It's really awesome risk to reward ratio. And after that, I had another trade. Let's cover about the trade, but before, you can learn more about my trading strategy. With my team, we prepared free materials for you. They will be in description to this video. You can read and how to get it to understand how to trade and also predict such movement on Ethereum as I did. You also can do it. That's why I do it right now. And third trade was on Ripple. Here volume was the smallest, 20,000, 10,000 for entry. Major reason because of this significant liquidation. You can see this big delta. And when price retested a little bit, I took entry for long. My major target was to take those highs. But honestly, as you can see, price didn't do those highs. and my trade hit at break even. That means first trade we lost 156, second trade we made more than 1,000, and third trade nearly at break even, and net result 988 USD. That means with only one good shot from 3 trades, I made money. That's example for you how trading really works. You will not have every trade hit you take profit, etc. You will have stop losses. I have even worse days when, for example, one of my 4 trades profitable and I at break even. That's part of this business, and you need to, as soon you realize about this math, it will be easy for you to start trading and actually treat it as a business. In order to use this math really into your advantage, you need first understand what is your trading strategy. If you don't have strategy, it's impossible to do this stuff. That's why I share with you my strategies. You can learn by using my approach, and you can combine some stuff and you can create your own approach, as I did before when I was a beginner. That's why all info in description. The next one, you need to understand how to set stop loss and proper position size, because if you don't know how proper position, how proper open a trade, how properly set volume, it's also impossible to do this basic. Even before you have strategy, first stuff that we teach our people, students that come to our education programs, how to position size properly. For you, I prepared free lesson. It will be here in the cards about how to calculate position size properly. Right now, just save it and watch it, because it's foundation of all of your trading. The next one, it is where to exit, because you need good strategy for entry and also good exit, because you saw example for you, my Ripple trade. If I would close my trade here, I could make 350 USD, because as you can see, price rose 3.5% here. It is 350 USD. One trade in one day. Sometimes you will miss it. The same with Ethereum. You can see here that I closed my trade, average was here. My average was here. But if I would keep Ethereum with my size, for example, into this high, it would be not 1,000, it would be 5,000. But how to live with that? Just understand that it is impossible to catch all movement, and you need to work properly with math and with proper signals. That's why, for me, I call this trade successful on Ethereum, because I made 7 times more that I put into risk. I don't care even if it moved after that, for example, 100%. I made what was my target. You need to know how to play this target properly, because that's the way how you build a system. Right now, push that subscribe button to get more lessons in the future that will help you make money. Also share with me, should I record an additional lesson about stop loss and take profit placement, how to work, how to do it, and what's my secrets. And at this moment, once more, I recommend you to watch these lessons about how to calculate position size properly, because you need it at least to build proper foundations where you can stand. I wish you just a lot of good trades. See you in next videos.